Yes, people, this is your girl Aleisha Lee and welcome back to another episode of Motivational Lee. In this episode, we look at Law 43, work on the heart and mind of others. But before we get into that, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you are kept up to date each and every time I upload. And without further ado, let's get into this. This law states that you need to work on the heart and mind of others in order for you to maintain that power. You need to be able to tap into people's emotions and find out what it is that they really want and what they need in order for you to be able to get that alliance and loyalty from them. Patience is very important when it comes to this law because you need to be able to do this over a period of time where people are able to see that you really care and feel that genuine connection with you in order for them to become more vulnerable and provide you with more details and information. Now, in order to apply this law, I would say you need to be more observant and more in tune with people's emotions and feelings, being able to understand their psychology and understanding why they do what they do. With this information, you are able to know exactly what you need to do in order for them to feel comfortable and in order for them to have that genuine connection with you. The more people you do this with, the more you're able to form that alliance. So when it comes to things in future, they will remember the time that you spent and the care that you took with them. So all of these things do play a role when it comes to this law. In a nutshell, you have to be the one to create that place and that space for people to feel comfortable and vulnerable, for them to share that information with you and for you to help them through. If you are able to work on the heart and minds of others, this will put you in a greater position of power and people will look to you as that go-to source. So you will be able to maintain that powerful and supportive role in their lives. But yes, people, that is it for Law 43, work on the heart and minds of others. In a nutshell, if you are able to do that, you will find that you will be maintaining a level of power that you didn't even know you could have just by listening to what people need and taking their needs into consideration. You will be able to maintain that level of power. In the next video, we will be looking at Law 44. Disarm and infuriate with the mirror effect. But yes, people, make sure you have a great week. Stay blessed, enjoy, and I will catch you in the next video. Don't know, boy. People don't know.